What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Aukey USB Hub. And this is something that I got on Amazon. The link will be in the description below. But I got this because I have so many devices on my desk that's powered by USB and I'm running out of slots. Like, I plug one in, I have to plug it out, plug another one in to replace it, and it's annoying. So I went and got this. Let's open it up. It's actually cold. It's like metal, it's not plastic. Got 3 on the front, 1 on the side, wire for power. What else is in the box? User manual, so you can, and then throw it away. And a keyhole sticker, kind of cool. Reflective little thing. It's good to have, just in case, even though if you have enough spots for your USB devices, you're always going to get more devices. Be prepared for those devices. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. This is Low-Key Fanatic, and I'm out. I'm not going to drop this.